back to my channel. So today I am doing my annual gift ideas video. I absolutely love making these videos. I feel like this is my forte. Like, I put so much work and effort into these videos to try to find really good and unique gift ideas for those people in your life that you've been buying presents for years and years and years, and you have ran out of ideas and you want to get them something creative, something that they'll really like, but you just don't have any good ideas. This video series of mine is perfect because I try to come up with some really good unique gifts for you guys. If you can't find anything in this video, definitely check out my last ones from like last year and the 2 years before. I'll link them down below, but there are so many good ideas in these videos for you guys, and I can guarantee you, I can almost promise you, you will find something in these videos to get for your family and friends if you cannot think of anything. If we're being honest, I can definitely admit that gift giving is definitely my love language, so I feel like this is my strong suit in general, so I hope that this video helps you out. So let's go ahead and jump right in because I have so many ideas this year, and so I feel like this list is going to be longer than usual. I do not have every single gift idea with me sitting here because I haven't bought all these for people this year, but I am going to have photos to go along with this so you guys can see. So the first gift idea that I have for you is something that I actually got from my husband this year, and I'm really excited to give it to him because he needs this really bad, and I know that he's not the only man that needs this, but it is grill tools that light up. So when we go outside and we're grilling and it's dark outside, which it usually is in like the winter and stuff, he can't see very well, and so I found these light up grill tools. I'm trying to talk quietly because he's right upstairs and he has his headphones on, but I found these grill tools that have these lights inside, and they're like little flashlights, and you can actually turn them on, and while you're like flipping your burgers and stuff, you can actually see what's going on the grill because of your little light up grill tools. And he's gonna love these because he keeps telling me how he can never see when he's grilling outside, and so I think this is gonna be really handy for him. So if your husband or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, for that matter, if she's the griller of the family, like, I think they'll absolutely love this, especially if they have a hard time seeing when it's really dark and they're grilling outside. So this next gift I actually got for Travis this year as well, and this is a book, and it's called I Wrote a Book About You. So I actually saw this book in a little boutique actually, and I thought it was the cutest idea, so I took a picture of it, and then I went on Amazon when I got home, and I actually found it on Amazon, so it was really handy, but I ended up picking it up, and it's basically just a cute little book, and you fill it out about your spouse or your kid or your mom or dad or whoever you want to give it to, and it's basically just a cute little book that is all about them, and you fill it out to fit them. So like, if I were a color, what color would I be and why? Or if I was a superhero, what superhero would I be and why? Or this is my favorite thing about you, or whatever, just simple questions, but it's really cute. And this is a great gift if you're looking for something meaningful, and I think that that is really important for certain types of people in your life where you want to give them something meaningful but you can't think of anything. This is a really good one. Highly recommend that. I think it would be really cool, especially for grandparents. Like if you have a daughter or a son and they fill it out for their grandparents, I think that'd be a cool idea, or even a daughter or son filling it out for their dad. I think that'd be a cool idea as well. So really good idea, and I'm really excited to give him that this year. So the next thing would be really cool for a young adult or a teen girl, and it is a galaxy lamp. Now I have seen these on like Twitter and stuff like that, and I think they're so cool looking, and they're basically these lamps that are like purple and blue light, but it looks like when you turn them on that your entire ceiling is like stars and galaxy, and it is stunning. Like, I want one so bad. I want to give one to Elena because I think Elena would just love it. I think Emery would love it too, but they're so pretty, and it just gives your room like this really amazing like ambiance in there. And so if you have like an introverted kid that just likes to chill out in their room a lot, it definitely gives like a cozy vibe, and I absolutely love these things, and I want one really bad because I just think it looks so cool in pictures. So this next idea is something that I actually got this year for Christmas, and I wanted one so bad, and I got one, which I was really excited about. And this is a little bit of a spendier gift, but if you're like a mom getting something for your daughter, or a daughter and you want to get something really nice for your mom or husband or wife type of thing, this is a really good gift, and it's an air fryer. So you guys are probably thinking like, okay, that's random, but I'm telling you, air fryers have changed my life. They're really good for like frozen foods. Like, when you get like those frozen foods and you just want to like pop them in your oven and make something quick, if you just stick them in your air fryer, it takes like way less time, and I feel like your food is just crunchier. You're not frying it in oil, and it's so, so nice. And you can make like French fries in there, just cut up potatoes, throw your potatoes in the air fryer. You can put vegetables in there. You can make so many things in an air fryer, and it does not take a lot of time because you don't have to wait for it to heat up like you do with an oven, and it makes everything so crispy. Like when I make like vegan chicken nuggets, I put them in my air fryer and they're like actually crispy, which I absolutely love because I'm kind of lazy and I don't like to wait a really long time for them to cook in the oven. So the air fryer takes a lot of the time away, and I just freaking love my air fryer. So if you have somebody in your life that likes to cook, or if you have even like a teen that's just moving out or a young adult, air fryers are amazing because they are just super handy. Like it makes for really, really, really easy meal prep. So this next gift idea is something that I personally really enjoy, and it's an essential oil diffuser. Now I'm not a huge essential oils fan when it comes to like using them for medicinal purposes, but I really like them for the smell. So a lot of times I'll buy essential oils just for the scent, like lemon, or I really like lemongrass, and there's a couple that are made more for the scent than like the medicinal purposes. And I always like to diffuse oils in my house because I just think it smells so good. It makes my house smell really good, and they last a long time in the air. And you know that it's not super unhealthy for you, especially if you get high quality essential oils. And I think it's really fun. And if you have somebody that's like me that really, really likes scents and fragrances, like I'm somebody that always has a candle burning or something because I love when my house smells good, this is a great gift because it cuts down, I think, a little bit on price for like candles and stuff, because if you're buying tons and tons and tons of candles, this will cut down on price because the essential oil bottles will go a lot farther than like one candle. So this is a really good idea, and I definitely recommend looking into some higher grade essential oils. So you know you're getting something that's good quality, but it's a really good idea for people who really love to have their house smell really good. And you can get more like Christmassy scents and stuff like that too. So the next gift idea would be great for the woman in your life, or if you have a daughter or somebody like that, or a best friend, and it's a moon phase necklace. And these are really cool because I think just moons in general are really pretty popular right now, and they're simple, they're not too over the top or gaudy, but they are personalized because basically what it is, it's a phase of the moon on a special date. So let's say you got married on April 25th. You can get the moon phase, like what the moon looked like on April 25th. So it's kind of like a personalized gift. And I think it's really, really cool. I think they're really pretty, and I would love to get a little moon phase necklace for like a special time in my life, you know, like a birthday or me and my husband's anniversary or something like that. I just think it would be really, really cute, and I think the necklaces are cute. Like I'm a huge fan of the moon, and so I think that this would be a really cute gift. They're very wearable. You can wear them with pretty much anything, and I just think they're really, really cute necklaces. So this next gift idea is a really good gift for kids. So I always like to throw in a good gift idea for kids because I feel like sometimes kids can be really hard to buy for. This would also work really well for your friends that are having kids or that just had a baby or something like that. I think that this would be a cool gift idea. And it is a box of crayons, but spelled out in your kid's name. Now, I have a subscriber that actually makes these. If you are watching this video right now, please throw your link down below. I would love for people to shop from you if they can. But these are so cute, and I absolutely love them, especially for babies, because if you have a baby, you know that they have a hard time like holding on to little stick crayons because their hands just don't work very well that way. So if they have like eggs that they can hold on to, or in this case, letters, it's a little bit easier for them to kind of color with them. And these are so cute because it says their name. Like you can get their name in little crayons, and I think it's the cutest idea, and it's really, really fun. And again, it's personalized, and I'm sure that you can get these on Amazon, or you can get them on like Etsy. So this next thing is something that I actually want. Now this is a really good gift idea for somebody who is really into stationery, really into journaling, really into planning, those people that just like stickers and those types of things. This is the Faux Memo printer. Now, I want this for my Scents a Day journal. I'm actually going to start up a new series next year on my YouTube channel all about my Scents a Day journal. So look forward to that. I really hope that I can start that up. I'll probably start it up in maybe March, I'm pretty sure. But this is a really cool little printer. You can hook it up to your phone or your iPad, and what you can do is you can create like stickers on Procreate, and then you send it to this little printer, and it prints out these little like stickers that you created on Procreate, and it just kind of like prints it out. Then you can cut it out and kind of cut it out however you want. and you can just like stick it in your planner, you can stick it in your journal, or you know, if you're like a card maker or something like that. I just think that this gift is such a good idea for those people that are really into like the arts, crafts, journaling, stationery type of thing. I just think that this would be a great idea, and they're not overly expensive, but they're really, really fun, especially if you have a phone or an iPad that you use like Procreate on. I think this is a really, really cool idea. So this next gift idea is something that I actually got pressured into buying. You know those little like mall kiosks? I never fall for those mall kiosks, but there was this one day that I was walking through the mall and this guy stopped me and he's like, you have to check out this steamer. And I was like, okay, like he caught my attention and I felt really bad, so I stopped. And he's like showing me how this like little handheld steamer works for clothes, and I was like amazed. I was blown away by this little handheld steamer, and I was like, I need one of these. So he ended up selling me 2 steamers that day, and this was right before Christmas. I got one for myself and I got one for my mom. And you guys are probably thinking, a steamer? Like, why would you get a steamer for somebody for Christmas? I'm telling you guys, this is like the best gift ever. Like, I've used mine so much. I'm somebody that doesn't like to iron. I think ironing is so annoying, but steamers are so nice. Like, let's say you have a dress or something and it has some wrinkles down the front. I always used to use my flat iron or my curling iron, and I would like go like this on the front of my clothes to try to get like wrinkles out. Well, this steamer heats up in like, I'm not kidding, 25 seconds maybe max, and it just starts, you know, steaming, and then you can just steam out any wrinkles out of your clothes in like 2 seconds, and then you just turn it off and you put it away. It takes no time, and it's so freaking nice to have, and I've used it so much. But the nice thing about these steamers is that they're so small that you can pack them when you like travel and stuff. So I always stick mine in my luggage. And so when I get to my destination, my clothes are always going to be wrinkly because they're obviously like packed in a suitcase. And so you can just take them out, and if you want to wear an outfit, you just steam it really quick. It literally takes like 1 minute. I'm not even kidding. It is so nice for somebody that travels a lot, or somebody that just wants to steam out some wrinkles really quick. I'm telling you guys, they're amazing. So last but not least is a gel polish lamp. So I think this is a good idea for those friends who always want manicures, that always have like really nicely painted nails. Definitely not me. Actually, this might be a good idea for me because my nail polish wouldn't chip as often, but this is really good for those people that want their nail polish to last a really long time, and you just buy them a little gel nail lamp and then maybe some like gel nail polish, and they can do their own manicure and their own gel polish, which I think is really cool because obviously gel polish doesn't chip as fast, so the manicures are going to last longer. So if you have those friends that are like really into nails and they always have their nails painted different colors, a good gel lamp would be an amazing gift for them, and they can have really nice manicures all the time, or even pedicures. You could use, you know, obviously your toenails with it as well. I think this is a great idea. I would love to get a gel lamp. Last but not least, I know I said last but not least, but this is actually the last. It's Lash Serum. So I don't know if you guys know this, but I use Lash Serum just because I have the shortest, stubbiest lashes of all time, and one of my friends who sells Roden & Fields actually got me into this Lash Serum, and I'm obsessed with it now, and I cannot live my life without it. It's really, really, really freaking expensive, but it works. Like, my lashes are so freaking long. I never feel like I have to wear fake lashes, and I love it. Now, I use the Roden & Fields because my friend sells it, but you can find other lash serums of different brands that work just as well for a fraction of the price. Just kind of do your research, look around, but there's a lot of really good lash serums out there, and I think a lot of girls would absolutely love to receive this, especially for your friends that love makeup, your girly girlfriends, people that just, you know, like to wear a lot of makeup. Lash Serum is great because you don't have to wear fake eyelashes as much, and it makes your eye makeup always look so much better. That is it, you guys, for my gift ideas video this year. I hope you guys found some good ideas. If you guys didn't see anything in this video, like I said, go to my past videos. I think I have like 4 other videos in this series from past years, and there are so many good ideas in those videos, especially like my earlier ones because they were like my first ones. But I can guarantee you will find something in these videos if you are stuck on a gift idea for somebody. There will be an idea in these videos. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Please let me know if anything in this video sparked your attention, or if you're gonna get any of these gifts for your friends or family. I'd be really, really curious. And also, if you guys have any ideas yourself, put them in the comments below. So if people didn't get any ideas in this video, maybe they can get some ideas in the comments section. So down below, I'm going to link as many of these products that I possibly can, so you guys can just go to the links in the lower bar. It'll be easier to shop that way. And I hope that is helpful for you guys as well. I don't normally do that, but I'm going to do it this year. And I'll also try to do my past videos as well, so I can link those ones too for you guys. So anyways, that is it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!